Hey, welcome to the channel. So let's talk about the real reason that Shiba Inu is down. And I'm going to say up front, this is not a Shiba Inu specific thing. You need to zoom out a little bit. If you're just looking at Shiba Inu, you're not seeing the whole picture. We need to look at the entire meme coin space as well. But I'm going to give you the reason that Shiba Inu is down. I'm going to tell you that this next week's going to be pretty rough, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because of this piece of news, this big event thing that's happened that has impacted all of crypto. It's why all of crypto's down. It's why Shiba Inu's down 14+%. And it's the fallout from this event that we're seeing as the reason why SHIB's down 14+% and continues to move down. Okay, so as we're seeing 14%, we are now at 4015. I'm viewing this as an opportunity, quite honestly. I'm viewing this as an opportunity to look at maybe buying because you can see in the last month it's been as high as 4024. And it's down 35% from in this month overall. Okay, so that is an opportunity as far as I'm concerned. It is a dramatic opportunity that I am looking at. Okay, so before we do that, though, before I tell you, look, the overall crypto market, as I said, is down 6.65%. As of the recording of this video, there's been north of almost $300 billion of market capitalization wiped out in the last 36 to 48 hours. And this is due to really one word, and that one word is tariffs. So Trump ran on a platform talking about wanting to get rid of income taxes, and he said point blank he was going to impose tariffs on countries, things of that nature. He has in fact done that after being inaugurated a week ago, last Monday. He has imposed a 25% tariff on Canada, a 25% tariff on Mexico, and a 10% tariff on China. This is why the market is crashing. That's not the right word. I apologize. This is why the market is moving down. This is why the crypto has moved down 300+ billion. I don't think this is a crash. I think that this is a panic selling event. These are people that are selling right now that shouldn't be. They're selling and they're taking losses. I've got a chart I want to share with you, and I showed this in another video today. Let me give you the context for this. So I retweeted this earlier today. I said, don't let this happen to you. Panic selling hurts only one person, you, if you sell now. Okay. And what this is this is a tweet from Blockchain Daily. It says, just in, data reveals retail investors are panic selling as institutions quietly accumulate. Institutions / large investors, whales, things of that nature. The blue line here represents retail investors, you and I, okay? And notice the blue line was running along for the majority of May, kind of just consolidating. People were buying and they were selling. The retail investors were here, all right? And at the very beginning of December, a lot of them decided to pack their bags and leave the building. And you can see that blue line just moved down dramatically, right? It just went boom. It went all the way down, and it continues to fall even right here. So that's why I moved a picture of me. That's the blue line. Retail investors are panic selling. Retail investors are the majority of the reason that number is down. Retail investors panic selling are the reason that Dogecoin is down 24%. The last 7 days. SHIB's down 21%. Pepe's down 27%. Trump's 31%, 32%, and bonks, so forth and so on. Okay. So it's this chart. To me, this chart says it all. Whereas the red line, larger investors, institutions, beginning around the beginning of August, what did they start doing? Buying. They are buying. They're buying through all this volatility, all this chop, all this bad news, all this, oh my God, the sky is falling, crypto's going to die, blah, blah, blah. The retail investors out there are buying into all the junk. They're buying into all the stuff. Am I saying that it's not been hard to be a crypto investor in the last 3 or 4 months? I'm definitely not saying that. I mean, outside of that period that we saw, like right after Trump got elected, and from November 5th to about December 5th, when just everything took off. I mean, all charts looked like this: XLM, XRP, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu. I mean, Shiba Inu went up 50+% in like 5 days back in this period. But, XRP went up 400%. This was the euphoria after Trump won the election. But then like December, it started consolidating. People started getting spooked, and the retail money left the building, have started leaving, and they shouldn't be. You shouldn't be leaving. You should not be. Don't be this chart. Don't be somebody else's exit liquidity. I will always tell you, I will always bring you back to something. Ask yourself this one question. If you're sitting there with your fingers over the sell button, I got to sell my Shiba Inu. My God, the sky's falling. Ask yourself this one question. Okay. Do you believe, yes or no, that the crypto market is going to be bigger next year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now? And I'm talking about this number. I'm going to show you this number right here. I'm talking about that number, the entire crypto market capitalization, which is 3,250,000,000,000 right now. Do you think that number is going to be bigger a year from now, 2 years from now? If the answer to that question is no, then you should leave because you don't have any faith in crypto. You don't really understand it. You don't really get it because that number is going to go up big time. We now have a new SEC crypto task force. We have a new pro crypto president, pro crypto Senate. We have lots of great stuff coming. I've said it in 8 million videos. Okay. We are primed for a great run. Is it happening right this moment? No, it's not. Okay. One word, tariffs. And second word, fear-based selling, panic selling. Okay. That's what's happening. And oh, by the way, it's not over. Why is it not over? Because the stock market's not open. The stock market's going to open tomorrow, and you're going to see panic selling going on in the stock market. People are like, oh my God, tariffs are horrible, and the world's going to end, and blah, 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 blah. And there will be panic selling happening in stocks tomorrow. You watch, it'll happen. And guess what's going to happen? It's going to bleed over into crypto even more, and you're going to see more and more people sell tomorrow. Period. Okay. Me, I'm going to be buying. I'm already buying, but I'm going to be buying because this is a massive opportunity. Again, go to this chart. If you don't believe in crypto, then sure, you should sell and you should move on. If you do believe in crypto, what is it? It's an opportunity. Just look at what the large investors, the institutions, the whales, look at what they do. This is not me making this up. This is data. This is it right there for you. Okay. Why am I saying all this? Why am I, being kind of this way? I don't want you to leave. I want you to make as much money in this crypto game as possible. I want you to crush it. I want you to have everything you want. Okay. But to do that, you got to have the fortitude to withstand times like this. You got to not be the blue line in this chart. You have to not be that person. You have to go, okay, I'm okay weathering the storm because I see the value. I believe, Austin, that the crypto market, again, this number, because here's the thing. If this number goes to 7 trillion, what do you think Shiba Inu is going to do? It's going to go up dramatically, triple, quadruple from where it's at, way more. That's it. The beauty of crypto is that when Bitcoin and the big large caps move up, everything else does too. Well, that doesn't really happen. Yeah, it does. Come on. It does. That's one of the things I love about crypto because it's actually pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It really is. Okay. So with that, if you want to make even more money in this game, you take a look at my software. I have a trading indicator. It'll help you. It costs a little over $1 a day. I showed it to you already in this chart. That's a buy alert. That's a sell alert for XRP. And when crypto is going to turn back on, it's going to go, boom, it's going to go. Okay. Right now, volatility associated with Trump, tariffs, etc. I get it. Okay. You got to be okay with the roller coaster. I'm okay with it. And you got to view it as an opportunity. I'm okay with it. So again, it's an opportunity to buy, right? So if you want to know when to buy, when to sell, the software gives you alerts. They're sent to your mobile phone, your computer, wherever you want. The software costs about $1 a day. There's a link in the description below. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this over on X, there's a link below as well. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you get to really try it for 30 days. So you can buy it, try it. If you don't like it for any reason, you get an instant refund. Okay. But it can help you know when to buy and know when to sell. Like Frank said, let me show you Shiba Inu right here. So look, it gave an alert. It said it's time to sell Shiba Inu before it went down in the last 1 day, 8 hours, almost 17%. That's what it does. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. So you can buy low, sell high, make that profit. So you can sell and not take that loss and not give all that profit back. That's what it does. Okay. So, and it's a little bit over $1 a day. Or you don't begrudge me $1 if it can help you make tons of money. Like, give you the perspective. This chart right here, if you would have had the software using it when XRP took off right after the election, $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $8,000 profit in just 30 days. How much would that have changed your life? That's what software does. So I'm asking you for about $1 a day. Yeah. So try it if you like it. Remember, you got that 30-day no questions asked money back refund guarantee. See ya. Go make some money. This too shall pass. See ya.